Now, some people ask, how much can you sew with these old machines? And the answer is quite a bit, actually. Just to give you an example, I mean, this is 2 layers of denim, which it has sewn through very well. I'm going to fold it. So this is now 4 layers of denim. And this will chomp through it with absolutely no problems at all. There. Take it out. There you are. Fold it in half again. So this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fold it in half. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 layers of denim. Shove it under there. Drop it down. That's 8 layers of denim. And this old machine, which is, what, 80 years old? As you can see, chewing through it with absolutely no problems whatsoever. Okay, there we go. Let's break that off. Now, next thing is, how do you wind a bobbin on one of these old machines? Well, this is the bobbin winder. First, we need an empty bobbin. So I'll just take one out of here. Pop out one of these bobbins. There we go. Here we are, empty bobbin. Now, going to get the thread. Now to thread the bobbin winder, you take the thread from here, across to here, down to here. So I'm just gonna tidy up the thread a bit. Now on some bobbins, they will have a hole at the end of the bobbin. These bobbins don't. So what you need to do is to pop the bobbin into the bobbin winder like that. Then push this back and hold on. Push that back and pop it in like that. It's easier with 2 hands. Just a minute. There we go. Then you need to take thread, thread it through, and trap it at the end of the bobbin winder, like that. As you can see, right here. Now, with that set up, you need to prepare the bobbin winder. And to do that, you have the clutch wheel on the side here. So you need to loosen that, like that, so that this spins freely. Then you push this back so that the tyre contacts the balance wheel. And all things being equal, you should turn the handle and everything should just wind. So here we go. Now, the German machines of the time had automatic stopping bobbin winders. For some reason, Singer does not. So the way to use one of these bobbin winders is that when you see that the thread is really filling up, you have to be the best judge on when to stop winding, because the machine won't do it for you. Future Singer machines like the Singer 99, Singer 201, they would have automatic stopping bobbin winders. The older ones like this do not, so you gotta figure out when to do it. Now, that is about it. Now you should always make sure that the winder arm ends on the right like that. Okay, so next thing is to take it out, break the thread, and here you have a fully loaded bobbin that you can put into the shuttle. And it is really that easy. So I hope you've had a lot of fun watching this video. It was definitely a lot of fun to make it. And using this machine is a hell of a lot of fun. Far more satisfying using something like this than using one of those white modern plastic monsters which you can buy today and which cost an arm and a leg. I mean, yes, they do a few extra things, but you really can't get over the charm and beauty of these old antique sewing machines. I mean, no modern machine will have beautiful gold decals like this. No modern machine will have nice brass plaques and badges, or nice brass serial numbers. No modern machine will have nice woodwork or a solid cast iron frame or body. You really can't get anything better than these. Well, I think they're works of art, really. I mean, that's why I love them. That's why I love this one, because you couldn't find anything made today, except probably in China or India, which would get anywhere near as beautiful as what these old machines are. And so there we have it. How to thread, how to wind a bobbin, how to load a bobbin, how to sew, and just a little test on how much it can sew. And just to show it to you one last time, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 layers. Nice and strong. Like I said, you know, these things, you can do almost anything with them if you have enough skill and you have the right attachments. I mean, I made a denim satchel bag using this machine. I made the whole thing myself, and this machine coped with every last stitch. No problems at all. So if you've got any questions about these old machines, how to use them, how to oil them, how to set them up, how to do anything with them, you know, maybe post a comment, and if I know the answer, then I'll try and answer it. And there we have it. My 1936 Singer 28 vibrating shuttle sewing machine.